Trading stocks, options on stocks, futures, options on futures, and retail off exchange foreign currency transactions, Forex, involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Past performance, whether actual or indicated by historical tests of strategies, is no guarantee of future performance or success. There is a possibility that you may sustain a loss equal to or greater than your entire investment, regardless of which asset class you trade, equities, options, futures, or Forex. Therefore, you should not invest or risk money that you cannot afford to lose. Trade Guide Limited is an authorized representative of Forex Max Limited and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority number 229906.
G'day folks, this is Younes from superchargedwyckoffvsa.com. I'm the author of Supercharge Your Trading and Investment Account using Wyckoff Volume Spread Analysis. Now in my analysis today, in this video, I'm going to speak about the Aussie dollar versus the US dollar. Now yesterday when I analysed this currency pair, I mentioned that there was certainly weakness. Alright, so we had very high volume on this up bar, okay, which broke through this previous high, okay, back here around about the 76.34 level. We saw price move up, giving us signs of weakness, sign of weakness 7, supply coming in, gave us no demand and also a upthrust, okay, so plenty of weakness around that 77 cents level. And since those highs, we've seen the Aussie dollar versus the US just fall away. Okay. Now today, as I spoke about in my previous video on the Aussie CAD, we've got a trap up move on the 4-hour chart, and that's due to the interest rate decision where the RBA left rates on hold, and looks like they'll be holding them at the same level for some time. So that's why we've seen a weaker Aussie dollar. Okay, now if you look at the pricing action, we've seen it break back beneath my trigger point here. Now I did mention if we started to see signs of strength at this level here, then we'll look to take long trades. But at this stage, we are looking at shorting opportunities because the Aussie dollar across the board, if I sort this, the Aussie dollar across the board is bearish. All right, we've got the Aussie CAD bearish, Aussie Swiss in the smaller time frames bearish, Aussie Japanese in the smaller time frames bearish, Aussie USD also in the smaller time frames bearish. Okay, so we're looking at shorting opportunities, and with the Aussie USD, we've got the 1 hour, 30, 15 and 5 minute are all trending down, so this is perfect for our sharpshooter strategy. Okay, so I'll be looking to take shorting opportunities here with the Aussie USD, but be mindful of this ultra high volume. So we've got a trigger point on the high and a trigger point on the low, so this is where it's likely to come down to in the short term, back down to around about the 75.67 level. Okay, so if we get signs of weakness here, and I'll much rather prefer seeing a no demand after we have a trap up move. Okay, if we do get a no demand signal, then that's a perfect opportunity to go short with this currency pair. So key levels to keep an eye out for, folks, is certainly we've broken this trigger at 76.34. Next key level down is the 75.67 level. Okay, if we do break down beneath that level, then we're looking at coming back down towards the 74.50 level, back down towards these levels here. Okay, that's where we could see the Aussie dollar come down to. So we'll see how it goes. Looking for short trades as we've got the smaller time frames all trending down. So looking for either trap up moves, no demand, or up thrusts on the smaller time frames. Okay, folks, if you've got any questions at all, please send me through an email to info@superchargewyckoffvsa.com. Have a great trading day, and I'll see you in a future video. Bye for now.